Hi Craig, my proxy on as per expired, forgot to renew. Will it affect my account if I change the proxy? Do you recommend any proxy providers that are good quality? Typically I recommend IP Royale. You can double check a proxy. If you type in proxy IP spam detecting, some bullshit like this. You can double check the quality of the proxy. And you can also compare it to your home Wi-Fi as well. You kind of want it to be like super, as low as humanly possible, right? IP Royale is a pretty good provider. Oxy Labs is also a pretty legitimate provider, a little bit more expensive, a little bit of a different way of doing it. They do it per gigabyte of data you use, whereas IP Royale just pay per month for the IP and you can do unlimited, basically unlimited. So IP Royale is very good. Normally they have very low spam scores, so I highly recommend them. Not highly, but I recommend them. If I say I highly recommend something, I've done it before. So people are like, oh my God, this is not working. They treat me like a fucking support center for that shit. Quick interruption to this video. I'm doing a Rolex giveaway. So when my main channel reaches 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. So click the top link in the description, go to my main channel, craigtyr, click subscribe. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, which will be in just 2 months, I will give away a Rolex to one lucky subscriber. It could be you, so go subscribe.